on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it.
Some people see a police badge as just metal. But it's a symbol of discipline and authority. Cross the wrong officer and trouble comes fast. A drunken giant kicked through a hotel door, roaring wildly. But moments later, handcuffs snap shut. No matter how big you are, actions decide the fate.
No, you're not gonna fucking arrest me.
Sir, back up. Back up.
You back the fuck up.
Back up.
You back the fuck
back
up.
up.
Your fucking hand
Stop.
off me.
You cannot touch me. Stop.
You cannot fucking
Back
touch
up.
me.
I told you to back up. Dude, please,
Again?
please stop.
Again?
Please stop walking up on me.
I'm in my goddamn car.
Back up.
Nice. All right, come on, bitch.
Step it up, we're fighting.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it.
I was standing across the street when the shouting started. The driver lost control, fists flying, screaming at the cops. But the officers stayed calm, like this wasn't their first time.
Sir, back up.
She ran at the patrol car, screaming and swinging, pure street Karen in action. Only the officer's calm kept the chaos from getting out of hand. When the cops said, "Let's settle this," the fight exploded in the middle of the street. No tasers, no cuffs, just guts and a crowd acting as referees. He lost his gym membership, but ended up in a new club, the one where everyone wears orange. Trying to fight the police was a terrible mistake.
I was silent.
It's too late now.
How is it too late? You didn't give me a chance to
Do not
talk.
resist. Do not pull away.
Sir, stop touching me.
Stop pulling
You
away.
didn't give me a chance to talk. No.
You're
Stop touching me.
Miss Payne,
Stop touching me.
you better.
Stop touching. Sir, I'm telling you, stop touching me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't.
She thought a fake $50,000 check would make her rich, but swinging at an officer turned a small scam into a huge disaster.
Give me your
Sir,
hand.
do
You
not
are
touch
under
me.
arrest.
Arrest for what? I didn't
Take
do
off.
anything.
Give me your hand.
I did not do
Miss Payne.
anything.
Miss Payne.
I didn't, sir. I
You are
didn't
under
do
arrest.
anything.
Miss Payne, you are under
Stop
arrest.
touching me.
Miss Payne.
Krista,
Miss
I'm
Payne.
going to jail for something that I did not do. Bro,
Payne.
stop touching
Give me your hand,
me.
Miss Payne.
I'm at the bank trying to get another
Right now,
debit
she's
card.
resisting.
And they came in here, a fucking sheriff or something came up in here talking about I'm under arrest for bank fraud. I didn't even do anything. Like,
Stand up, Miss Payne. You're
Don't,
under
sir, I'm
arrest.
telling you, don't touch me.
Bain, you were
No,
under
no,
arrest.
I'm not. Don't touch me.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me.
Miss Bain, you were under arrest. Calls Miss Bain.
With
Go ahead,
probable
stand up
cause.
for me.
You didn't show me any evidence.
Stand up for me, Miss
Crystal,
Bain.
call my mama, please.
Miss Bain, stand up.
She outside.
Stand up.
It's 337-426. Stop touching me!
You were under arrest.
Stop touching me! Stop touching me!
Stop.
Please, don't do that. Call my mama, please.
Okay, I'm gonna get your mama, but you
Call
stop.
my mama.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna get your mama. So you just.
You got cuffs.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, well we gonna figure this
That's
out.
what I was trying to say.
Okay, well then we gonna do that.
He booked a hotel room but ended up in the back of a police car. Losing your temper isn't part of the deal, buddy.
See ya.
Think twice before testing authority. It can get messy fast.
One of our officers saw you on the camera smoking meth in the.
I wasn't smoking on my I was just walking through.
Well, they called out your exact description, so you're just gonna be detained right now, okay?
I didn't do nothing.
Joseph Manatawabi was caught smoking meth and went wild, swinging at 3 cops before trying to run.
What did I do wrong? What am I going to?
Detained. Put your hands in the back. It's okay.
What am I going to?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong?
If you put your hands behind your back, we can tell you.
Come on, get the wall.
What the am I going to, man?
Now. Seven's on one Central Mail, northbound Broward Valley. Punched two officers in the face. Medical pursuit with him right now. Northbound behind Salvation Army West side. Put your hands in the air now! Stop! One at Taste Point, north side Salvation Army.
But adrenaline doesn't last. He learned no one outruns the law.
Let go of the handcuffs.
A moment that shows the consequences of losing your temper. Always follow the law and stay calm. One impulsive act can lead to unexpected trouble.
¿Pero qué hizo?
In Westminster, a violent outburst became a public lesson in police accountability. When other officers stepped in, they showed that real law enforcement is about control, not impulse.